In this video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer contacts from iPhone 13 to Android phone. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to showcase a very simple method to transfer all of your contacts from an iPhone to an Android device. For this method, you don't need to connect it to a PC, to a laptop, and you can do it entirely on the iPhone and then the Android device. So to start, back up all of your contacts. So on the iPhone, in this example, the iPhone 13, go into the settings, sign in with your Apple ID, make sure that you already have it here, and then tap on your name or icon. Now go into the iCloud settings. What you have to do is perform a backup to iCloud that is going to contain all of your contacts, So to ensure that all of your contacts are backed up, go into the iCloud settings, choose the option to see all when you find it saved to iCloud, and enable contacts here. This way, all of your contacts will be saved into the cloud. With this done, you can perform the backup by tapping on this option here, iCloud Backup, and then choosing Backup Now. This way you will have the most up-to-date contacts and information related to your other applications. So after you do the backup, now switch over to the Android device. Now we will be essentially downloading those contacts. So on the Android device, open a web browser and go to iCloud.com. So you have to access the website in order to download the contacts. But after you sign in through the website, there's one additional step. You have to tap on these three dots, and on the settings that appear, enable desktop site. So you can only find the option to download your contacts if you are using the desktop browser. So make sure that you go to iCloud.com, sign in with your Apple account, then go into the desktop site view. This will essentially give you a different view that looks more like a tablet or a PC, of course. Now go into Contacts, and you will see all of your contacts. What matters here is all the way down at the bottom. So scroll all the way down and you will find this tiny settings icon at the bottom left corner. Tap on this icon and choose Select All. This way, all of the contacts from A to Z will be selected. And after you have selected all of them, choose the option to export the vCard. This is the document containing all of their information. So once you have this vCard, all that you have to do is open it up. So immediately upon touching on Export vCard after you select all of the contacts, you can open this document and it will allow you to import the contacts into your phone or your Google accounts. I hope I was able to help you on how to transfer contacts from iPhone 13 to Android phone. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.